Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Thank you actually so much for those who've already subscribed. We're climbing up the ladder. We're almost at 1,000. We are going to make it. Thank you so much. If this is your first time watching this, my name is Ruth. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. And for those who've already subscribed, welcome back to another video. Today's video, if you see, I just finished working out, so you can guess what today's video is all about. Of course, not working out. Today's video, I want to show you how you can make a post-workout high protein smoothie. If you have intense workout, after workout, you can incorporate smoothies that are going to help you gain back your energy. So today I thought I should show you one of the smoothies that I normally drink after working out. I'm a person who loves to work out, and that is why I'm able to maintain a good body. So I'm going to show you how we're going to make a high protein post-workout smoothie. So please make sure you stay with me till the end of this video, and please make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So let's get to the video and see what we have. This is our high protein smoothie. Very nice. It's very interesting. You can incorporate it in your daily diets if you're exercising or working out. Remember, I said it's very high in protein. You saw me use hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are very high in protein, and they contain all 20 amino acids. So they're very good when you're talking about high protein smoothie. I also use dates. Dates contain vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, vitamin C. They contain fiber, and they also contain assimilate proteins that are very essential for your body. So if you really need a high protein post-workout smoothie, this is the way to go. Make sure you incorporate it, and I know you're going to like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure you give it a like and leave a comment in the description box below. Let me know what you think about it. Also, you can share your post-workout smoothies that you incorporate in your diet so that we can also learn and try to incorporate them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.